When you teach your students how to subtract mixed numbers with unlike fractions, the first thing you're going to want your students to do is draw the fractions out of the first fraction. Some teachers draw both. I don't suggest that. I find it kind of confusing. And you want the fractions to be like. So for an example, in this problem, I asked the students, can 1/3 change into sixes? And it can by dividing it up into two parts, which is basically the same as multiplying by 2. So now this fraction is now 4 and 2, 6. Now we're just going to bring this down, and we have to take away 1 and 4, 6. Now we can't take away 4, 6 from here. There's only 2 6. So what do? We need to change this whole and rename it and make it into sixes as well. So that's why this 4 is going to be renamed. We no longer have 4. We now have 3, 1, 2, 3, and 6, 6. Then in total, we have 3 and 8, 6. So we're just going to put those together. 3 and 8, 6. And now we can take away 1 whole and 4, 6 by just writing an X, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have to take away that 1 whole. And we are left over with 2 wholes and 4, 6, which reduces to 2 and 2/3. Now, sometimes teaching all of this along with this is too much. So if you have struggling learners, or if you're introducing it for the first day, I suggest not even showing any of these numbers. Just show the visual models. Tell the kids if this is a little confusing, always resort back to the visual models to double check that you're doing it correctly. And then once they get a hang of these visual models, then you can go into the actual algorithm. I hope this helps, and if you need any tips or learning ideas, go ahead and check out my blog at schoolhouseengage.com.